All right, super amazing. All right, thank you very much. Welcome once again. This is Analytic Business. So I'll quickly talk about us, just briefly, right? About us. What do we do, right? We are an educational platform where we help people to acquire skills, knowledge of modern day skills that help them to us to, upgrade themselves, that help them to us to be better in what they do, that help them to what to leverage day-to-day AI skills in their workplace, right? You can see these beautiful, amazing ladies right on my screen. They are beautiful, amazing people, right? They are making sure that at the end of the day, we are able to acquire the right skill set. They made a lot of effort for us to make sure that at the end of the day, skill set in terms of AI, in terms of data analysis, in terms of HR analysis, that's people analytics, in terms of software development is made available for people to learn. Oh, today you're going to be learning a lot today, right? We're going to be doing some amazing practical skills today, right? Working with automation, working in data analysis using AI. All this is going to happen here today. All this will happen here today. I wouldn't know that you can't speak. I would have loved to talk to one or two people, right? But no problem. We are all together. So Analytic Business is actually a top quality platform that provide rich content, rich curriculum in terms of AI, in terms of the recent skill you need to know for self-development and for day-to-day leverage of AI, right? So as you are here today, I must say you are very, 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 very you are very, very, very what will I say? You are very, 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 very lucky to be here today, because today I'm going to be walking you through a practical approach, right? Where you see how to use AI to automate your process, to automate tasks, to build chatbots, to walk yourself through data analysis, even if you don't have knowledge of Excel, even if you don't have knowledge of Power BI, yet you can use AI to analyze data. I hope I'm communicating. Are we getting what I'm saying? The whole place is just quiet. Can I get a thumbs up for what I've said so far? Newton, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Akinroye. Thank you very much. All right. So I want to ask you guys just quickly, which of these AI tools have you used before when it comes to prompting? ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini AI. Can you just type in the chat box? Let me see which one you have used before. ChatGPT, I use that every day. All right. Rockefeller, well done. ChatGPT, Team ChatGPT. Do I have Team Claude AI here? Do I have Claude AI here? Do I have Gemini AI here? I don't have them, right? Gemini AI, Claude AI. Okay, Gemini, right? Great. Only few persons are chatting me. Okay, DeepSeek, right? Great. Claude AI, right? Gemini AI, right? Great. Amazing. I can see some people using ChatGPT, Claude AI together with Gemini AI. That's amazing, right? That's amazing. Nobody is talking about Microsoft Copilot. You don't use that here. Nobody's talking about Copilot here. Nobody's talking about Grok AI here. Nobody's talking about Grok AI, Microsoft Copilot here. Is that we don't use them? I use Copilot. Oh, China is the right? Obiora. That's great. Flow. Great. Copilot. Great. It's not free. Yeah, to some extent, it's not free. Great. I have used tools I have automated a process before using N8N. Are you here? I have automated a process before. When it comes to automation, have you automated a process before? Have you automated a process before? I have automated a process before. Are you here? I am a data analyst. Are you here? Okay, I'm a data analyst. I can use Excel very well. Are you here? I can use Excel. I can use Power BI. Are you here? Oh, my people are not here. Are they here? They are not here. All right, let me just move forward, right? All right. So I've talked about what we have, who we are, as Analytic Business is concerned. Your Excel is 60% Joy, right? There's no problem. Imagine you have 60% knowledge in Excel and you can use AI very well. That will cover up for the rest of the 40%. Joy. All right. Super amazing to have you here, Joy Obaika, right? All right, so I've talked to you about who we are as the analytic business, right? So you need to see some of our success story so far. I think Uche has played some clip for us. We've seen testimonial about us, what we do. Yes, I have attempted automation, but sometimes money is required. Oh, comfort, not sometimes, right? Not sometimes. Probably you still need some knowledge around it, right? Comfort. You still need some knowledge around it. I automate every day and I don't pay money, right? It's just the right knowledge, right? It's just the right knowledge, comfort. Adadu. All right. So Uche has played some clip for us. We've seen some testimonial video about some of our past students who have actually, cheer us up out there, and they are still, making us proud out there in terms of using AI, in terms of building workflow, in terms of analyzing data, in terms of making projects easier, making business to scale with the use of the skills they've learned with us in analytics business, right? Sally, thank you very much. Analytics business, right? So this is some of our success story. I would like to share with us some of our success story this evening. All right. These are some of our key guys. You can see Ava from the audit department to AI automation. So if you are here, let me see the chat box. What department do you fall to? Comfort, what department are you? Are you an engineer? Are you a data analyst? Are you a project manager? Are you an HR? Let me see you type in the chat box. Let me see where you're coming from. Let me see it where you're coming from. Can I see it? Who is there to type for me? Who is the first person to type for me? Where are you coming from? Are you an auditor? Are you a banker? Let me see your background. Let me see. Nobody is saying anything here. All right, no problem, right? I'm an engineer and a project manager. Oh, that's amazing. Comfort was the first person to reply me. Rockefeller, well done. Rockefeller is a data scientist. Oh, amazing, Rockefeller. Didier Olu, you're an HR, right? An HR, great. I train HR as well. I train HR in the use of AI, right? I train HR in the use of AI, and I've trained more than I can't count right now, but more than 200 HR has passed through me in the use of AI, right? So I'm super amazing to see you guys here, my people, my HR people, right? Cyber security, Akinroye, that's amazing. Akinroye, you're a big man, oh, you're a big man, Akinroye, Babatunde. So it's only just few people that is telling me their background, right? Maybe we don't want him to know where we are coming from, right? There's no problem, right? There's no problem. All right, so you can see, okay, fintech, right? Fintech, that's like OP, that's like money points, like CUDA, right? That's amazing. That's amazing. Joseph Issa, that's amazing. All right, so irrespective of any field you're coming from, AI is for you, right? Irrespective of any field you're coming for, AI is for you. Graphic designer, Bilikisu, that's amazing, Bilikisu. HR, MN, HR, right? That's amazing. Irrespective of what profession you're coming for, AI is for you. AI is for you. We all need AI to automate processes. We all need AI to make our work easier, right? For HRs, I've trained many HRs in the use of AI tools such as Bricks AI, amongst others, right? Didos AI, Quadratic AI, right? Zebra AI, for them to analyze the data, right? My screen right now, some amazing young people, amazing young minds, intelligent minds that have passed through our cohorts, and right now they are doing well in other skills they have transited to AI automation. You can see Ava doing absolutely very well. Architect, right? That's amazing. Muhammad Ahmad, right? How do you train HR? Is it a one-on-one? Oh, Onyeka Chuku, that's actually a one-on-one, right? But virtually. That is why we are here. You'll see more of us before the end of this section, right? You see more of us, right? Onyeka Chuku, right? You see more of us, right? So you can also see Olusegun Agbolade, somebody from the audit department as well, transiting towards AI automation, building workflow, right? Amarachi, front-end web developer. That's amazing, super amazing, right? So you can also see someone from the non-tech, right? Someone from the non-tech, Ibiso Jacob, right? From the non-tech, a lady, right? now transitioning into what? AI automation engineering, right? In the use of what? Use of N10, tools such as N10, Zapier to automate process and workflow, right? An educator, right? Chinwe Ogeke, educator, right? I think I have a physics teacher right now who is an educator and is now an AI automation engineer, right? A physics teacher who has worked in a secondary school for more than 20 years. That's to you, our Chinwe Ogeke. An educator that has worked in a secondary school for more than 20 years is now an AI automation engineer after passing through our cohorts in analytics business. Super amazing, right? So these are some of the young minds that have passed through our cohorts and they are doing very well in their career right now. All right, so let's look at it and talk about who Alim is, right? You need to know who Alim is, right? If you are super excited to know about me, let me see your thumbs up. I want to know who this guy is. Who is this guy? Let me see your thumbs up. Who is this guy? He's just here, speaking to us. Who is this guy? Can I see your thumbs up? Nobody's giving me any emoji. Newton, always you. Thank you very much, Newton. Thank you very much, Newton. Always you. Photographer. Wow, that's amazing. I hope you can use Nano Banana very well. I hope you can use Nano Banana. You can use most of the AI tools available for, photography right now. Great, 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 Inamdi. We have more of them. You can learn with us. We have more of them. You can learn with us. We have more of them. You can learn with us, Inamdi. All right. My name is Alim Abdulwasiu. Like I said, I'm an AI automation engineer and a data strategy consultant, right? Specialized in building intelligence workflow. So I build workflows, scalable workflows, right? Which is one of those things I'll be walking you through today. I'll be building a workflow with you today. If you want to be an AI automation engineer, you'll be seeing how you can build a RAG agent today, a chatbot, right? AI chatbots that can help scale your businesses, that you can build for people, for companies, and they'll pay you in, dollars. Let me use the word dollars. You hear more of dollars in my mouth this evening. They'll pay you in foreign currencies, right? Not just in Naira, that you earn in foreign currencies, because you can work remotely with any companies, with any, any persons in the world right now. That is the beauty of learning AI, right? Yes, we do CV revamping. That's one of the things you learn from us. All right. Yes, we do CV revamping. I mean, I don't know anything about AI. I have no confidence with AI. That's the comfort, right? There's no problem comfort. Our program here is always beginner friendly, right? Beginner friendly. If you enroll with us, you are good to go. I hold you by your right hand. I walk through the journey with you. That is what we do here. Comfort, Adadu. All right. So apart from being an AI automation engineer, I also work as a data analyst, right? As a data analyst, where I help people to manage their businesses. I help people to check their return on investment. Are they growing or are they falling? I've worked with companies that I will not want to mention here because I can see someone is from the fintech. So I work with some fintech company, analyzing their data for them. So I will not want to mention those companies here so that you're not be like, oh, this guy is the money guy. So I will not want to mention the company to you guys here. But I've helped more than 200 HRs, right? HR leaders. I think I have many of the HRs here, right? I've helped many of the HR leaders to begin to use AI to scale their businesses, right? To automate processes, right? I know one of the thing that HRs really want to automate are payslip, right? So I've seen how far I trained HRs in the automation of payslip, and now they are super doing very well in terms of issuing payslip and making payslip highly available at the right time in their workplace, right? You want to build ATS system, right? As HR, oh, I want to build ATS system that can actually screen CVs for me and a lot of things like that. As a project manager, you want to make sure that, oh, the project you are doing, you are being, carrying out is going smoothly and fine. So this is the right place for you. I don't know anything about AI, sir. That's not a problem. This is the right place to learn about AI, right? This is the right place to learn about AI, right? This is analytics business, and this is the right place to learn about AI. So after tonight, what will you be able to do? What will you be able to do after tonight? So tonight is just for you to see what you can do, right? Tonight is for you to see what you can do. But after tonight, what can you do if you enroll with us in analytics business, right? So let's go there. I'll show you some AI projects, right, that we built before, and how we can build an AI project here. You also see how we can build AI projects. But after tonight, if you can, level up with AI skill and learn more about AI, you'll be able to position yourself when it comes to, the job market, right? When it comes to the job market is no longer what you used to know. The job market is now AI needed, right? Is now AI needed. In any workplace now, you must have AI knowledge for you to be what? For you to maintain your feet. That is why the job market needs you to position yourself and make sure that you can use ChatGPT beyond prompting. You can use Claude AI beyond prompting, right? You can use tools such as Notebook LM effectively. You can use tools such as Gemini beyond prompting and do more things with them, more advanced things with them, right? Which is what we are here to show you how to use. All right, so let's get started, right? We've talked about the job market, right? We've talked about the job market, that it doesn't reward effort anymore, right? It rewards those that can leverage AI to meet up with what? The job of the day, right? You don't want to go to the office tomorrow and your boss will be like, oh, tomorrow is or Monday, right? All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Confirm you can hear me loud and clear. Confirm you can hear me. Confirm you can hear me. Can I get your thumbs up? All right, great. Olatinwo, you want to start the training, right? That's amazing. That's amazing. That's what I'm here for you, Olatinwo. That's what I'm here for you. All right, great. If you're happy that I'm back, let me get your thumbs up. Oh, Alim Network just out, and Alim is back. I'm happy. Can I get your thumbs up? Can I get your thumbs up? Oh, thank you, Newton. Thank you, Newton. All right, so what do I want to say, right? You don't want to go to the office on Monday, and your boss will be like, oh, Olatinwo, can you help me to, automate this process? And I'll be like, oh, I don't know how to use ChatGPT. Oh, the only thing I know is how to just prompt ChatGPT, right? You don't want to do that, right? Muhammad Ahmad, there's no problem, right? There's no problem, right? There's no problem, right? Just get better, right? Have a good network. So you want to be what? You want to be ahead at all time. Like we said the AI is not going to replace the workers, right? But the AI is going to replace anybody that doesn't know how to use AI, right? So you don't want someone that knows how to use AI to come and replace you, right? Be like, oh, you have to just leave your position right now. Why? Because somebody is going to come in that knows how to use AI better than you. You don't want to be caught unaware, right? So that is why you need to what? You need to find the knowledge that is going to make you relevant in your workplace, right? Yes, you get the recordings of the section, right? That's not a problem. You want to what? You want to learn the skills that will make you relevant in your workplace, right? At the end of the day, you want to be like, oh, I am relevant. I can do this with AI. I can make job easier. Your boss doesn't want you to hear, oh, I'll think about it anymore. Your boss wants to hear, oh, I'll give you the response in the next 5 minutes. Oh, I'll check in with you in the next 1 hour. That is what the world is going to now. The world is not about I'll sleep over it anymore. The world is about I'll make it happen in the next few minutes. Because you have AI at your fingertip. Imagine I am with you, I am your co-worker at work right now, and they be like, oh, Comfort, can you automate this task? Can you make this app? Can you make this document available in the next 1 hour? You'll be like, no, I have to work over the night on it. And I'll be like, oh, you can get this in the next 5 minutes, sir. I'm now ahead of you in the workplace, right? Because I know how to use AI better than you. So you want to use AI to leverage yourself to make sure that your relevancy does not decrease at your workplace, but increase, right? You want to get better opportunities, right? You want to get remote job. You need AI skills, right? Because every workplace now is looking for people that can use AI, right? People that can make process seamless. You don't want people that will just overwork, and at the end of the day, their efficiency is low. They want people that can work faster, and the efficiency is going to be at the high place. That is the set of people we want in the workplace right now. And that is what 2026 is talking about. The world no longer reward effort, right? The world rewards those that can leverage AI, that can leverage the right skill sets in the workplace. That is what the world is now rewarding. I don't know if you get that. If you get that, can I get your thumbs up? The job market does not reward effort. Oh, I can work from now to tomorrow. That is not what the workplace is looking for. The workplace is looking for, oh, I can do this job in the next 1 hour. I can do this job in the next 5 minutes. That is what the workplace is looking for. All right, great. All right, great. All right, great. All right. So there's an attendance form, right? Going on right now in the chat box, right? So kindly fill the attendance form so that you can have access to the recording of this section. That's it. You can have access to the recording of this section and you can get more information even after this section, right? So kindly fill it right now. Okay, in 2026, right? This is now 2026, right? Expatriate is not what you know anymore. It is what you ship in, right? It is what you learn. It is what you acquire. It is what you made of yourself. I was not this person in 2025, but I had what? I have upgraded myself. I have upskilled myself. And that is why I can speak the knowledge of AI to you today. Are you getting my point? I can tell you that if you work on yourself in the next 3 months, you will not be who you are today when it comes to AI. You will be a better person. You see yourself in a better position because you can use AI. Just imagine the world is no longer about, oh, I can type, oh, I can spend, 1 hour to type this document. The world is about how can I use AI to do this job better. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Is anybody getting my point here? Oh, I can get this guy clearly. Can I get a thumbs up? Oh, this guy is actually saying my mind. Can I get your thumbs up? Orobosa Jeffrey, well done. Sagacity Dan, well done. Austin Precious, well done, well done. I'm super amazing to have you guys here, right? I'm super amazing to have you guys here. And I hope you guys are ready to learn the AI skills. You guys are ready to upskills and you guys are ready to upgrade, right? That is why you are here today. So kindly fill the form, right? Kindly fill the form. All right, so we have new AI skills that are just evolving every day, right? You have people building websites with just natural language. Oh, with your natural language, you have built a website. With N8N, tools such as N8Ns, you have automate processes. You have automate stacks, right? You don't want to work like a machine. If you want to work like a machine, can I get your thumbs up? Oh, I want to work like a machine. Can I get your thumbs up? No. But I don't want to work like a machine. Can I get your thumbs up? I don't want to work like a machine. Can I get your thumbs up? Nobody's giving me a thumbs up. Sagacity. Great. I don't want to work like a machine. We don't want to work like a machine. We want to work intelligently, right? We want to work intelligently and efficiently. So that is why we need the right skill set to do the right job, right? To do the right job. To do the right job. All right. Like it is right now, we talk about something, right? It is no longer about our degree, right? Irrespective of what you study in the university, that is not what the world is asking you now. What the world is asking you is, what can you do? If I ask you right now, what can you do? Some people will tell me, oh, they can do photography. Is photography studied in school? No, photography is not studied in school, right? Photography is what you learn and made of yourself, right? Oh, I can do fishing. I can do a lot of things. What are the tech skills that you can do right now? People really want to know what you can bring to the table. It's no longer about certificates, right? It's not about, oh, I went to the school. I have certificates in, geography. All those things are not what is required right now. Do you have a certification in AI automation? Do you have a certification in HR analysis using AI? Do you have certification in AI for project management? Do you have certification in AI for data analysis? That is what we want to see. As a recruiter, I will not see you give me your CV, and the next thing I see in your CV is, oh, this person has graduated since 2006. And the only thing that I can see on his CV is just, oh, he has a degree in economics since 2006. And somebody else is coming to my own, somebody else is bringing their own CV to me. And what I can see in their CV is, oh, this guy has graduated in 2010. He has certificate in AI automation. He has certificate in AI for data analysis. He has certificate in AI for project management. Who do you want me to hire? I cannot hire you because you don't have what it takes for me to hire you. Do you have the right skill for you to get hired? Do you have the right skill for you to get the right job, the right high-paying job? Do you have the right skills for it? Oh, I've been teaching in secondary school for more than 10 years, 5 years. I need better opportunity. Do you have more skills beyond writing with chalk? Do you have more skills beyond writing lesson notes? Do you have more skills beyond writing lesson plan? Can you use AI effectively? Okay, do you have more skills beyond using ChatGPT to just write your lesson notes, your lesson plan? These are all what we're asking for you. You don't blame the future. You blame yourself for not having the right skills to meet up with the future. So I want to believe that we are here today to have the right skills to meet up with the what the modern day society need, right? Are we together? Am I speaking your mind? Can I get a thumbs up? Can I get a thumbs up? Thank you very much, Esther. Thank you very much, Esther. It is no longer about CV. It's about what you can offer. It's about what you can offer. All right. All right. This brings me to portfolio. Portfolio. Who can tell me what a portfolio is, right? Portfolio. Can you tell me what a portfolio is? In the chat box, portfolio. I know what a portfolio is. Please type it in the chat box. Let me see. What is portfolio to you? What is portfolio? Just type in the chat box. Let me see. What is portfolio? What is portfolio? Put it in the chat box. Any person putting it in the chat box. What is portfolio? No person, right? That means if we can't put it here, that means most of us here don't have portfolio, right? We don't have a portfolio. Okay, I have a portfolio. I have a portfolio. Can I see your thumbs up? I have a portfolio. Can I see your thumbs up? I have a portfolio here. Can I see your thumbs up? Okay, Sally, you have a portfolio, right? Great. You have a portfolio, great. An online resume, right? A folder, yes, I do. Joy, you have a portfolio, right? Great, Joy. I think portfolio is all about your achievement certifications over time. Great. Who else can give me what a portfolio is, right? A portfolio. All right, great. We are super amazing, right? We are super amazing. The word is all about what can you do? Where can we find you? If we can find you on your CV, does your CV have some links that can take us to where we can see your videos of what you have done? Can we see evidence of what you have done? This is what a portfolio is, right? Oh, I know how to analyze data. Do you have a place where I can see a demo video of you analyzing the data? Oh, I know how to use ChatGPT. Do you have a video where I can see you using ChatGPT, where you have put it on online that I can go there and see that, oh, this is Peter Richard analyzing data using ChatGPT. This is Peter Richard analyzing data using Julius AI. This is Peter Richard analyzing the data using Bricks AI. Do you have a portfolio like that? Do you have that? Do you have that? Oh, I can automate. I can work with softwares. Do you have a portfolio where I can go and see you working with that software, which is not just you to write it on your CV that, oh, I can use this. Do you have a place where I can go and watch you and I can see you that, yes, you can use it? Do you have a place? Do you have a place? All right, that is what a portfolio is, right? And that is one thing you start to get with us in Analytics, right? You enroll with us, we walk you through the skill set, you get the skill set, and we help you to build a portfolio around yourself that can help you to easily cross from one job market to the other job market, an high-paying job market. That is what you get to benefit from analytics business like us. All right, so super amazing, right? Super amazing. I can see a lot of people raising up their hands. Do you have any question? Can you put it in the chat box? Because we will move ahead and see how far we automate the process here, right? And build the process for us, right? All right. So I had in 2026, why builders win, right? Why builders win, right? Because you have the recent certification, right? Please, how much is it to enroll here in this training? We are going there. Amen, right? We are going there. I hope we have some discounts for us today, right? We have some discounts for us today. So I hope you are going to be part of those people that is going to get discount today. Amen, right? All right, so this is one thing about it, right? Why builders win? Why do builders win? Builders win because they can automate. Builders win because they can vibe with AI. There's something about vibing with AI. Can you vibe with AI? Can you talk to AI? Can you use AI to get the right output? That is why builders win. It goes beyond certification, right? It is about building. It's about building. The world only appreciates what they can see, right? The world only appreciates what they can see. If I cannot see you building a process, if I cannot see you using AI, I cannot hire you in 2026. If I cannot see you working with a tool such as Julius AI for data analysis, such as Bricks AI for data analysis, such as Zebra AI for data analysis, such as Quadratic AI for data analysis, I cannot hire you in 2026 because you don't have what it takes for me to hire you. It goes beyond just the degree. I hope you are getting my point. That is why you need the right skill set to get hired, to get the right job, the juicy job in 2026, right? All right. So just to make sure that we are not just here to listen to Alim talking, right? Alim is going to walk us through an automation today, right? I am an AI automation engineer. So the route I will go first is to build a RAG agent in this place today. How many of us are joining from a laptop? You are joining from your laptop. Can I get your thumbs up? I'm joining this section from my laptop. Can I get your thumbs up? Sally, thank you very much. I'm joining this section from the laptop. Can I get your thumbs up? Can I get your thumbs up? Thank you, Obiora. Only 2 persons is joining from a laptop, so the rest of us are joining from a phone. Jimmy Falano, thank you. Alexandra Alabi, thank you very much. Only those 3 people are joining from a laptop, right? From a computer, right? So the rest of us are joining from phone. Classic business, great. Rockefeller, great. Great. All right, so I'll be walking you through building the project today, right? Which you are going to watch me build the project. And I want to believe that some of you is going to follow me in building this project, right? So that you are going to go home with something. Not just something. Every person is going home with something today, right? Every person is going home with something. Oh, I have learned so far. So far, we've started this section this night. I have learned. Can I get your thumbs up? I think this section has helped me learn 1 or 2 things here. Can I get a thumbs up? Ademi Sola, thank you very much. Oh, I love this section. Can I get your love emoji? Can I get your love emoji? I love this section. Can I get your love emoji? Chinaza Obiora, I love this section. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are all going home with something today. So let's get started. Let's build something exciting, right? All right. Why you must watch me closely right now that I want to build something is because of what? You need to watch me closely build this, because at the end of the day, I'm going to be building something that costs developers to build, right? Something that costs developers to build, something that is not really free, something that if you watch me build it and you learn it in this section, you are not just the same comfort anymore, but you are a different person after this section. Something that if you watch me build it, you are not just Justina anymore, but a different person after this section. Something that if you watch me build, you are not just Abimbola anymore, but a different person amongst many others. Bilikisu, are you with me? Can I get your thumbs up, Bilikisu? Are you with me, Bilikisu? This is one thing about us as coaches in the analytic business, right? We try to carry our students along. We don't try to lose you at any point in time, right? We make sure that as we are teaching you, we are looking for you so that every person will be what? Will be on the same page. Babatunde Saeed, are you there? Babatunde Saeed, you are the first person that react to me today. Are you here, Babatunde Saeed? Your thumbs up. Can I get your thumbs up, Babatunde Saeed? Oh, Babatunde is not here with me anymore. All right. Deborah, no, are you with me? Can I get your thumbs up? All right. Elizabeth, can I get your thumbs up? All right. Thank you very much. All right. So I want to build a simple RAG agent right now, right? A simple RAG agent, right? A simple RAG agent that you can use. Yes, you can use that RAG agent to, to train your own company policy, your own company documents, that people can come there and, they will talk to that agent and know about your company, right? And know about your company. Oh, you want to know about analytic business, right? We might not need to be here. We can automate the process that if you go and use our chat bot, you can get to know everything about analytic business. How many of us want to have a chat bot for our company? Oh, I have a company right now. I want to build a chat bot for my company. Are you here? Joy or Biker, you want a chat bot for your company, right? Comfort, you want a chat bot for your company, right? Ah, this is amazing. And how excited are you going to be that, oh, at the end of the day, you are the one that built your chatbot by yourself and you are able to manage your chatbot by yourself? How excited are you going to be? Oh, you did not contract millions of naira to AI automation engineer. You are the one that automates your process by yourself. It's only the ladies that are giving thumbs up. Oh, the men in the house, we are not giving thumbs up. All right, no problem. All right, so we are going to be building a RAG agent this evening. We're going to be working with N8N this evening. So let's just go practical, right? Let's go practical, right? So that you can see it, right? We don't have much time here. If you enroll with us fully, you get to enjoy us better, right? This is just a tip of an iceberg, right? So we are coming to that place where you see more about us, how you can enroll with us, and how you can join the next cohort happening in April, right? If you want to join the April cohort, oh, I can join the April cohort. The way things are going, I can join the April cohort. Can I see your thumbs up? I can join the April cohort. Are you here? Comfort, thank you. Esther Olatinwo, thank you very much. Rockefeller, thank you. Thank you very much. Honestly, the right time to start is now. There's no any right time to start than now. Join, equip yourself with the knowledge of AI, and you are good to go. And you are good to go. All right, so let's just move on and do something exciting, right? All right, so I'll be working with you guys on building something on N8N, right? So if you are here and you want to follow up with me, let me see your thumbs up. Let me know how many people want to follow up with me. I want to build with Alim. Are you here? I want to build with Alim. Are you here? You might not be able to build with me because I have a lot of things that I might use here. But you can just watch carefully, right? Watch carefully. But if you want to build with me, great. Let's build together. Let's build together. All right. So sign up with N8N. Let me send this to the chat box so that I can sign up. I'll send the link to the chat box. I'll send it to the chat box right now. Confirm you have received the link in the chat box. I have received the link. Can you confirm it? Give me your thumbs up. Let me see. Click on it. Click on it. Click on it right now. All right, Adeni Sola. So the next thing is to get started, right? Get started, right? Let's click on get started, right? Amazing, amazing, amazing. So this is asking us to log in, right? So what you want to do right now is by your right hand here, you log in, right? Let's click on login and let's start a free trial. Let me put my company email here. All right. All right, all right, all right. Are you following me? Okay, I am following Ali. Can I get your thumbs up? I want to build a process right now. I want you guys to see the process. Great, Joy Obaka, great, Joy Obaka. So let me get the code sent to my email, right? Let me get the code sent to my email right now. All right. I want to open up my mail and get the code I was sent to my mail. If you are following up, follow me up and learn how to build with N8N. This is taking longer to come. Oh, my network. Who is signing up with me right now? Let me see if this is going to allow me. Okay, let me use another anything right now. Let me build on this. Let me build on this right now. Let me see if this will allow me to build on this. All right. So for the sake of this webinar, I just want to build and show you how you can also build if you join with us. So for the sake of this webinar, I just want to carry you on. I'll carry you on so that you can see what we are trying to build right now. All right. To work you on. This is what we call N8N, right? N8N. N8N. I've heard about anything before. I've heard about anything before. Can I get a thumbs up? Oh, I've heard about anything before. Can I get a thumbs up? Anything? Can I get a thumbs up? If you have heard about anything before, can I get a thumbs up? Any person? Nobody here, anything? Right? All right. Just a moment. Let me switch my network. I think I'm having an issue with this MTN. Just a moment. All right. I'm back. So let me switch my. I can enjoy the process with me. All right. All right. All right. Great. I think I'm back. Now let's check this out. Let's check this out. And let's check this out. So I have this right now. 437875. So I'll just submit this. So who is following me on this? Is anybody following me on this? Who is signing up on anything with me? Is anybody signing up with me? Is anybody working with me? Okay, Rockefeller, right? Rockefeller, who else is working with me right now? At the end of the day, if you can follow up, right? Who else is following up with me? Ruth, right? All right. So let me just put in my name right now. Put your email and password, right? Oh, sorry. I just put this and I'll click on this. Network is actually bad, right? Then I'll start 14 days, right? Verify you are human, right? So you can now start 14 days, right? Oh, network, right? So just click on start 14 days, right? Has anybody signed up with me? Thank you, Rockefeller. Thank you, Rockefeller. All right. You can only see my Gmail, right? Oh, my network is getting stuck here. But no problem. Let me use this, right? Let me use my self-hosted, right? Let me just use my self-hosted right now. If this is going to work for me. So I'll just build the workflow, right? Ah. All right, all right. All right, all right. Don't worry, you get it right. Don't the survey, right? That's the network. That's the network, right? I think I'm having issue with that also. So I'll be working with my other anything here, right, to build the workflow, right? So right now I want to quickly create a chatbot for us. Let's click create workflow. Oh, great, great, Rita. Great, great, Rita. Well done, Rita. Well done. So the next thing we want to do is to create a workflow, right? Create a workflow. I think I'm having a bit of issue with network this evening. Walking you guys through. You are stuck at the survey, right? Don't worry. You are stuck at the survey. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm having a bit of issue with network right now, right? To walk us through. I don't know what's happening with my network, but no problem, right? Let me just go back to the material. Let's discuss one or two things there. All right. So I'm having a bit of issue with my network, right? So if you signed up already, there's no problem, right? All right. So this is all what I want to build for us before. A simple RAG agent, right? That when you chat the agent up, oh, I want to know about analytic business, right? The agent, AI agent, will check and give you answers about all you need to know about analytic business, right? All you need to know about analytic business. They will give you answers about that. That is what I want to build. Comfort. Oh, Comfort said, oh, ow, ow. Okay, let's see if my network is going to work for me now. My network is just frustrating this evening. All right, no problem. All right, this is what we'll do, right? Let me just go back to the material and explain so that by the end of the day, we'll come back to this. We'll come back to this. You want to build a RAG agent, right? That at the end of the day, you want your company to have a RAG agent where they can go and chat and know about what your company is. You might not be at work at all time, right? But you want to build a system that, oh, at the end of the day, people can come there and chat about you and know about who your business is and get to know what time you open. And there are some frequently asked questions that you might want your chatbot to answer, to respond to. That is why automation is now the trend of the day. You want to automate processes that even when you are not there, things are still working, things are still going. If you can send a video after this, can we be fine? Yes, I'll send a video. I'll send a video after that. I'll send a video. I will send a video after this, right? Yes, I'll send. How to build a simple AI agent, right? At the end of the day, you want people to go there and chat with your AI agent. Oh, what is Rita Sambo doing? Rita Sambo is a fashion company that this is what they sell. This is what they sell. What time did they open? Oh, this is the time they open. This is the time they resume, right? You want people to know about your business, right? So you can build a RAG agent around your business, right? And at the end of the day, your business is safe even when you are not there, right? Even when you're not there. So that is what we're about to do for you here. But yeah, the network is frustrating, right? All right. So we have this talking about the pillars of the ecosystem, right? The AI ecosystem. The ecosystem is all about pillar one, which is you, right? Oh, you are HRBP, right? You are HRBP, right? So that's amazing. I've trained more than 200 HRs, right? So I've trained more than 200 HRs, and you know they're super amazing, right? They are super amazing, right? They are super amazing, right? So you want to you want to see how far you personally grow on your own, personally grow on your own. You create operations that can work even when you are not there. even around there, you want to, just like Rita right now, Rita is an HR, she might want to create a workflow around, oh, I receive 200 CV every month, so I don't want to be the one, analyzing the CV, reading CV. You can build a system that at the end of the day, this system analyzes your CV, and at the end of the day, only those that are rated high can come through you, right? So that you have lesser work to do when it comes to CV review, right? And job hunting, right? These are systems that we can automate. These are processes we can automate, right? You want to automate process like, oh, by every 38, by every 29th of the month or 25th of the month, you want every payslip to be automated and go out, right? It's a process you can also automate as well, right? These are things that we can do. Oh, you want to analyze data. Oh, you want to know why you're having attrition in this company, right? Why you having attrition? Why is it people? Why are people leaving your company, right? Just AI. I'm having a very bad network this evening. That's it. That's why you could not enjoy me very well. I'm having a very bad network, but apologies, right? I don't know. All right. So this is just about us. So you want to see the core skills, right? The core skills that is happening right now that you might want to learn, right? The AI skill is actually one of the skills that you do not want to be like, oh, I don't have AI skill come 2026, right? We're now in 2026, and you be like, oh, you must have the right skills to work, right? You must have the right skills to leverage your day in, day out, taxes and activities, right? That is why you need AI skills, right? Can I also build automation on Excel? Yes, you can automate process on Excel, right? You can automate process on Excel, and that is what we do in Tenatic business, right? Automate process on Excel. You automate process on Excel. We have what we call a table. We have Excel itself. You can automate process on all of them, right? You can keep putting your questions on the chat box, right? I will respond to them. Keep putting your questions on the chat box. I will respond to them, right? All right. So by the World Economic Forum, right, we've seen it that, oh, the AI skills, right, in terms of artificial intelligence are actually leading, right? Actually leading, right? Actually leading. So you will not want to be like, oh, by 2026 and 2027, you do not have AI skill. Such as Rita right now. Rita, I believe that you need AI skill if you don't have, to see how far you start automating your processes, right? Your CV screening, right? Amongst many others, right? I can see somebody said he's a photographer right now, and the person knows how to use Gemini very well. We have a lot of tools, such as Nano Banana, right, that you can start using in Gemini amongst many others, right? We have Claude AI right now. If you want to start automating your PowerPoint, we have Claude AI, we have Nano Banana amongst many others. But it is not just using them, it is knowing how to use them effectively. That is why we are here as Analytic Business. How do we help you use them effectively so at the end of the day, you'll be a master of what? AI. Am I communicating? Am I communicating? Thank you. I thank you very much. What happened after 14-day trial? Great. After 14-day trial, you will not be able to use that anymore. Then that is what we have. That tool you are using is called Anyten, right? It's called Anyten Comfort. It's called Anyten. So we have Anyten on cloud hosted and we have on self hosted, right? So if you enroll with us in Tenatic Business, right, we will help you to install. You'll be able to install Anyten that will work for you forever without any 14 days trial or anything like that. You get to work for it forever. That is one of those things you need to come and learn and see how far you stay updated in all this knowledge, right? All right, so let's just look at it. This is what we are saying about skill set, right? Would that be free for me? Yes, that will be free for you, right? That will be free for you. That will be free for you forever and ever. Anything on Docker. Account name, right? Justin, account name, right? Don't worry, don't worry. At the end of the day, I will share a video to you guys on your meals, right? On how to go about this, right? Okay, you are in Nigeria right now, and you are still, oh, I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a job, right? I want to go to office, resume 8 o'clock, come back 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock. That is not what we are looking at right now. We are looking at you working remotely, right? Because you can actually work with companies abroad. You can actually work with company. Why are you doing this for us? Oh, why am I doing this for you, right? I'm doing this for you so that at the end of the day, you will see the need to enroll with us. You come and learn with us. We have a beautiful curriculum that if you enroll with us and learn them, this comfort I know right now will not be the same comfort in the next few months to come. That is why I'm doing this for you. All right. So you might even at the end of the day earn job and transit from the current job you are doing. You might earn a remote job at the end of the day. We help you with a lot of things, revamping your CV and a lot of things. So at the end of the day, you earn a better job than what you are doing right now. All right. This is what we're talking about right. They are looking for talents, but they are looking for people that can work around the world, right? That have the skill set that they need for job. There's a gain for us, right? That's why we are coming comfort. Don't worry. All right. And most of these recruiters abroad right now, they are targeting Africa, right? They are targeting Africa, right now for the right skill sets to employ in their own ecosystem, right? Because in Africa, we're actually very intelligent. An average Nigerian is actually very intelligent, right? Come to think about it. My name is Alim. I'm in Nigeria, but yet, do you know how intelligent I am? I build workflows. I work remotely for companies, even in Canada right now, to build workflow and automate tasks for them. So that is why we need to see how far we help everybody out there to also skill up when it comes to the use of AI. All right. What career options can analytics business offer you? This is why we are here right now. What can we offer you in analytics business, right? What career option can we offer you in analytics business? That is why we are here right now. Great, amazing, right? So let's look at it right now. Right now, what you can actually get from us, right? If you enroll, comfort, you say you want to enroll, any other person that want to enroll with us, this is what you stand to get from us, right? We have our programs in 8 weeks, right? 8 weeks, right? And we do a weekly mentorship, right? Where we mentor you on how to put up your CV properly. We mentor you on interview. We mentor you on how to, how to find work on Upwork, and how to optimize your account on LinkedIn and everything like that, so that you'll be more visible out there. You'll be more visible out there. At the end of the day, you have to do a capstone presentation for us. That capstone will make you to be at the end of the day, I enroll with an analytics business for 8 weeks. At the end of the day, this is what I can build for myself at the end of the day, right? Like somebody rightfully mentioned, right? CV revamping is one thing we teach you how to do, and we also will help you to revamp your CV. You will not always have us after the program. You will not have us, but yet you will want to make sure that you can be able to fit in yourself on a lot of things, right? That is why we help you to revamp your CV and teach you how to revamp your CV yourself. We have LinkedIn optimization. Who is on LinkedIn here? I am on LinkedIn. Can I get a thumbs up? I am on LinkedIn. Can I get a thumbs up? We help you with LinkedIn optimization. Have you checked me out on LinkedIn? I'm on LinkedIn. You can check me out right now. My name is Alim Abdulwasiu. Alim Abdulwasiu. Check me out on LinkedIn right now. Check me out on LinkedIn right now. We help you with CV optimization amongst other, right? CV optimization among other, LinkedIn optimization among others, right? All right. So also have Upwork set up, right? Many Nigerians are getting work on Upwork, earning in dollars, earning in foreign currency, right? Euros, pounds, and everything from Upwork. You will want to be the next person to earn job on Upwork, right? I've also worked with Upwork. I've earned work in Upwork. I've done work in Upwork, and I've get paid in Upwork, right? So why won't I now be the person to teach you how to get work on Upwork after you've learned the necessary skills with analytic business? Definitely, I have to show you how to get work in Upwork. This is some things you benefit from us, right? We have interview preparation. Yes, I think yesterday we did interview preparation with some guys in the cohort right now, and amazing. 3 persons were able to get job, right? 3 persons were able to get job just within last week and this week, right? We got 3 people, they got job, AI automation engineers, right? And they earn more than what you can imagine right now. This is one of the things you get to learn from us, and you get to get from us as you enroll with us right now. We have job reference letter. At the end of the day, we'll give you a reference letter for job that anywhere you go, it serves for you better, right? So, and we are also ACT. So, right? All right. So this is our program right now that we do. For any person interested, this is our program we do right now. We have program in AI software and website development. We have program in AI for content and video creation. We have program in AI automation engineering. We have video program in generative AI for the house. The HR in the house, are we still here? Can I get your thumbs up? The HR guys, are you still here? We have program in AI for HR analytics, right? If you are here, we have program for HR for AI automation engineering. All these are what we offer in analytic business, right? So how is the journey, right? How is the journey? It's a 2 months journey, right? A 2 months journey for you. On Saturday and Sunday, right? I had a class today, right? From 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. right today, right? Which is going to be led by the instructor, right? It's just 3 hours on Saturday, right? And on Sunday, we are going to meet also 3 hours, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Sunday. Right? Now, we have about TSS, which is called Technical Support Section. Technical Support Section hold every Tuesday for you. You get to come in. If for the classes we had on Saturday and Sundays, you might have questions, right? You might have questions. You might want us to debug some errors for you, some issues for you. So we still get to meet on Tuesday evening, right? 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. where we interact and we help you to fix up any issues you might be having with the class, right? And every Thursdays, right? Every Thursdays, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. we also have what we call mentorship section, right? Mentorship sections, right? This is where we teach you how to revamp your CV and help you to revamp your CV. This is where we prepare you for interview, right? Interview preparation, right? This is where we help you with your LinkedIn optimization. This is where we help you for your Upwork optimization and how you can, bargain for work on Upwork. You have a lot to learn from us, a lot of opportunities to get from us. All right, so this is our certifications, right? Certified by the American Council of Training and Development, right? This is what you get to benefit from us, right? Not just any certification, but a foreign certification with analytic business, right? This is what you get to benefit from us, right? These are some few remote jobs. All right. All right. All right. All right. Apologies. That was my network just freaking pushed me off. Apologies. All right. All right. So as I was earlier saying, right? So these are some of the platforms you get to, we get to work you around when you are with us, right? We have the flex job. We get to mentor you how you can get job on these platforms, right? We have LinkedIn itself. We have Indeed, amongst many others, right? We walk you through. We hold your hand. We walk the journey with you on how you can get job from most of these platforms, right? All right, these are some of the amazing guys that has passed through our cohort. We have Pavel, who was a teacher back in Cameroon before moving to the US, right? He joined our data analytics program and landed a job in healthcare data analytics, right? You might want to check out some of them, right? You have this material, right? So if you want to have this material at the end of the day, so that you can check in most of this thing, so you have to fill the form so that they could have your mail to send all this thing to you. I have filled the form. Can I get a thumbs up? I have filled the form. I have filled the form. Can I get a thumbs up so that you can have access to the recordings and everything? Rockefeller, well done. Newton, well done. And I'm looking forward to see most of you guys join the April cohort, right? So that you can enjoy me better there, right? I'm looking forward to see most of you guys join the cohort, right? All right. So with a tailored CV, you get a better job out there, right? You get a better job out there. So this another person again, Bukola, who got a job again as a business analyst. She joined as a business analyst and she got a job again remotely, right? Working as a data business analyst, right? We have many of them. You can check us out on LinkedIn. You can check us out on YouTube. You get to see amazing things we've been doing out there, right? So this is another beautiful lady who got job, right? This is a testimonial to a landed job as a data scientist role, right? In Germany, working remotely right now from UK. This is super amazing. Her name is Ene. She completed her HR scientist internship with us in December 2024, and she landed a job in April 2025, right? These are living testimonies, right? She secured multiple interviews. We prepared her for interview and she landed a job as a data scientist, right? Super amazing, right? Super amazing, right? All right, this is also Judith here with a background in HR. Like I said, I've seen many HRs. Your obligations, right? I will tell you the ABC of your obligations, right? We have many HRs, right? Many HRs who have, worked remotely with UK, US, and Canada, right? From earning a certification with us and passing through our cohort, right? These are things you get to benefit, right? Will you be the next person to take the opportunity? That is why we are here this evening, right? Will you be the next person to take the opportunity? I can see some people here. Comfort hand is up. A lot of people have a question. Rita is also here. Will you be the next person? All right. All right. Yes, but how? Great, great, great. All right. So most courses end here, right? Congratulations. Your certificate is here, right? But for we, what you tend to get, right? You tend to get the live section, right? Live classes that hold on Saturday and Sunday, like I said. Saturday, we hold from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., right? Sundays, we hold from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., right? 3 hours classes for 8 weeks, right? You get mentorship on Thursdays, right? Every Thursday, right? We get to review your CV for you, and we get to help you to revamp your CV as well. And we teach you how to do that as well, right? Your LinkedIn profile, we help you to optimize it, right? We help you to optimize your LinkedIn profile, right? We help you to set up your Upwork account. We prepare you for interview coaching, professional reference letter. You can get it from us, amongst many others, right? Amongst many others, right? The next course starts 11th of April. For every person here, 11th of April 2026, the next course is starting, and you can be the next person to take charge, right? So welcome to the Women's Day, right? 8th of March was Women's Day. Let me celebrate every woman in this house right now. I celebrate you all. Happy Women's Day once again. Comfort, Rita, Awa, amongst many other, happy Women's Day once again, right? Orobosa, what's that? All right, so this is what we actually, we've looked into this already. You've seen our program at large and how you can benefit from our program, right? So the total revenue of this program is actually worth around 1 million naira, but yet you get a discount this night. You get a discount this night, right? You get a discount this night, right? So we talk about it. We are giving you the lowest price ever. The lowest price you can get ever is what we are giving you tonight, 100,000 naira. and you can pay 2 times, right? 2 times, right? 2 times, right? So how do you get to pay 2 times? 50,000 naira first. Then in the next 30 days, before the cohort starts, you pay the next 50,000 naira. All right. How do you pay? You pay 100,000 naira. How do you get started for this right now? It's for you to claim the spot right now. It's for you to claim the spot right now. 10 persons only. Just 10 persons only. If you can pay 50,000 naira now, you get to book a spot for the next 30 days to complete your 50,000 naira. Right? You get to book the next 30 days to complete your 50,000 naira. Then you can send evidence of payments to me on this my phone number 07061002797. Right? Like I said, our program is 8 weeks. 8 weeks, right? Yes, 8 weeks. Our program is 8 weeks, accredited by the American Council for Training and Development. Right? You get live sections Saturdays and Sunday. You get weekly mentorship from us, right? You get to receive weekly mentorship for us, right? And we prepare you for employability package, right? Such as your CV review, mock interview, amongst many others that you get from us, right? Super amazing, right? So who is claiming the slot right now? Who is claiming the slot right now? I want to claim the slot right now. Are you here? Can you claim the slot right now? The first 10 person to claim the slot, how much is that? 50,000 naira. Then you'll be able to pay the next 50,000 naira in the next 30 days. Are we ready for that? Are we ready for that? All right. Are we ready for that? Secure the next spot before tomorrow, 5 p.m. Who is ready for that? Comfort, are you ready for that? Who is ready for that? I hope you have filled the form. I have filled the form. Can I get your thumbs up? I have filled the form so that I can have access to these recordings and other packages as well. I have filled the form. Can I get your thumbs up? All right. Esther Latinwo. Esther, are we having you enrolled? Are we having you enrolled? Who's next are we having to enroll? Are we having you enroll, Esther? Comfort. Are we having you enroll? My first payment is March ending. March ending, right? That's for Esther Latinwo, March ending. But Esther, if you want us to give you this slot, right, for the first 10 person to get this discount, you have to pay at least 50,000 naira before tomorrow, right? Before tomorrow, Esther. Is that possible for you, Esther? Who else is taking the opportunity? Who else is taking the opportunity to pay immediately and get to unlock that opportunity to pay in the next 30 days for the 50,000 naira? Who else is taking the opportunity? Who else? Who else? All right. All right. Let me walk you through our LMS and see if my network is going to allow me to do that. All right. So this is our LMS, which you can create to book a spot right now. All right. Let me share to you guys. Let me share to the chat box. Let me share to the chat box so I can get to know about us. All right. All right. So I'll send the link to the chat box so you can get to check us out at programs.analyticsbusiness.ca, right? Get to check us out. Get to check us out right there and book a spot with us, right? I'm having a very bad network this evening. I don't know what happened to my location, but we are fine. All right. So you have the opportunity to pay right now 100,000 naira, but you can start with 50,000 naira right today, so that before 30 days, you get to pay the next 50,000 naira. So this is just 10 slots open right now. 10 slots open right now. You can secure the payment right now. Secure the payment right now. All right. So thank you very much. Michael, kindly fill the attendance. Michael, fill the attendance so that I get the recordings. You get the recordings, and I have a video to share with you guys as well. I have a video to share with you guys on the workflow I promised to build here. So if you want to have access to the video, you have to fill the form, right? You have to fill the form, right? Fill the form so that you have access to every material I'm going to share to you guys right here. All right. So this is us. You can view our program. You can view our program. We have program AI for business analysis and project management. You can see the price for the package right now. We are giving you opportunity to pay 50% of the money right now. We have AI for social media and content creation. We have AI for automation engineering. We have AI for HR analytics, AI for data analytics, AI for software and web development, right? So you can book and get your space right now by paying 50,000 naira right now. How do you get started? It's just to click on get started right now. Get started. Or you can just click on enroll now. Enroll now and get enroll right now. Kindly fill the form so that you have access to the recordings, right? You have access to the recordings and the video I promised to share to you guys. So kindly fill the form and kindly make your payments. You can make your payment through the website and everything, right? So you can always sign in with Google, right? Sign in with Google so that from there you can make your payment as well from the LMS, and also you can make your payments and send a receipt to my WhatsApp through this number right now so that I can confirm and check in with you, right? So Madam Rita, are you here? Madam Rita, are you still here? Comfort, your hand is up. All right, great, great. Are you going to be the next HR to walk the journey with me? Are you going to be the next HR to walk the journey with me? All right. All right. Babatunde Said. All right. Kindly use the LMS and sign in. Oh, you could not fill the attendance form. Why? What happened? The attendance form is in chat box, right? Kindly share the attendance form, please, Deborah. Kindly share the attendance form so that Orobosa can fill, please. Link is not opening. All right, can you chat me on WhatsApp? Can you chat me on WhatsApp so that I send the link to you, right? Chat me on WhatsApp so that I send the link to you, right? This is my phone number. You can chat me on WhatsApp. I send the link to you, right? You can all check in with me on WhatsApp. I send the link to you. I can get to know more about the program, right? All right. So I think we'll spend a good time here this evening, even if we're unable to walk the journey very well, but we'll spend a good time here. All right. Nobody is claiming the slots. All right. Thank you, Robosa. Thank you, Robosa. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Robosa. All right. So you can book your slot, right? Orobosa, what is your area? Which area would you like to enroll for, Orobosa? If you have to enroll, which area would you want to enroll for, Orobosa? Which of these we want to enroll for? Let's view the programs. Engineering client, that's AI automation engineering. Yes, we have AI automation engineering. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can view program. Have you checked in with us on the Robosa? You can check out the program here. I've sent the link to you right now, and you can enroll as well. Look at the chat box. I've sent it to you right now. All right, great. All right, great. So I think I would like to appreciate every person here for joining the section this night. Thank you very much for joining the section. Thank you so much, and I look forward to your enrollment as April cohort resumes soon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, this is AI automation engineer. So Robosa, you may want to join AI automation engineering. This is the curriculum. You may want to check out the curriculum and see how it aligns to your interest, right? Comfort, are you there? Comfort, are you there? All right, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, everyone. Such a lovely evening. Thank you very much. And good evening, right? Good evening. Can I get your thumbs up as we round up the program? Good evening. Can I get a thumbs up? Can I get a thumbs up? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Ali got one thumbs up. Bilikis Musa, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Orobusa, thank you very much. Rita, my HR, thank you very much. Thank you. I look forward to see you in the April cohort, everyone here. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kwame. Thank you very much. All right, good evening. Thank you, Rita. All right, good evening.